Hey everyone, welcome to Cooking with Kat. Today we're making one bowl energy bites. I like to call these Emmy balls after my friend Emmy who taught me how to make them. Everybody's gonna love these, kids, adults, everyone. They're gluten-free, vegan, and super easy to make. Let's go. You're gonna need 1 cup of oats, 1/2 cup of any kind of peanut butter or almond butter, any kind of nut butter, 1/3 cup of sweetener. I'm using agave. You can use honey or maple, really anything you want. 1/2 cup chocolate chips. 1/2 cup flax. That's going to add in your healthy omega-3 fatty acids. And 1 teaspoon of vanilla. Once you have everything in the bowl, you're just gonna mix it up till it's nice and combined. Okay, you're gonna cover your Emmy balls. You're gonna put them in the freezer for about 20 minutes. Okay, so we're bringing our Emmy balls out of the freezer, and now it's time. They're nice and firm, so we're gonna roll them to about that size. You can store these in the refrigerator for up to a week and a half or in the freezer for up to 3 months. A great way to reuse these little plastic annoying storage containers you get with takeout is you pop an Emmy ball in, you cover it, and you freeze it. Then you can pop these in your bag for your hike or in your kids' lunch or your lunch for a delicious snack. Enjoy.